and welcome to episode number 15 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. The next feature is the scene transition between the main menu and the game. And we also have the pause menu, where we can exit the game and go back to the main menu. Next up, we have the settings menu. And here we can customize the keyboard, so you can choose the up key instead. And switch it back to W. And we can also customize the gamepad here. Like so. Next we have the audio, where we can control the music volume, the sound volume, and the master volume. Next we have the video settings. Right now it's set to borderless window. We can make this a bit smaller, like so, or bigger, and we can toggle full screen and full screen off. But I have a 4K monitor, it's gonna look a bit weird now. Alright, let's set this back here to 1920 by 1080. Alright, we can toggle borderless window as well, and VSync on and off. Alright, this was all for episode number 15. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 16. See you there.